Hey there, it's Ranjit with Atomic Fusion, and in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can upload pages to Atomic Fusion. This is part of the video series that I'm doing that covers the nuances on how uploading works uh, between the Bubble editor and Atomic Fusion. So it's a little different for different kinds of elements, different kinds of Bubble elements. And today we're going to talk about how it works for pages. So I've got a blank page set up here. I'm just going to show you how to upload an asset and why it works the way it does. So a blank page, and I'm going to set up a simple button with a workflow that sets a state on it. So let's set a state button. I could even set it on the page actually. Let's set it on the page. State name is state test. Let's say yes, no, and I'm just gonna make it yes. Why not? Okay, so that's my page functionality. So it's got a state and it's got a workflow setup. Let me open my Atomic Fusion. There we go. And that's my extension. So I want to upload this page. So when you upload with a standard upload functionality, it will upload it with the workflows and the states without you having to say upload with workflows. So let me save this. This is a test and it's a page, right? We're going to save this and it's going to come up in my creations. That's a test page. So now if you see, I copy and I paste it in, it's going to ask me if I can create a page. I'm going to say uploading test copy, and the page is created. And this is uploading test copy, which I just created from by copying the element, the asset into from Atomic Fusion into Bubble. And now if I go and check out the workflows, you're going to notice that they're there, but I still uploaded without workflows technically, right? So coming back to how the page element is structured on Bubble is it comes with workflows and states. So the same thing is applicable for reusable elements as well. I'm going to dig into that in another video. So you're probably wondering what happens when you actually upload a page with workflows. So what will happen when you do that is it's going to upload with references to the workflows, which means that you'll see a bunch of broken connections and a bunch of issues. And that's actually why Atomic Fusion doesn't allow you to upload a page with workflows, because we know it's going to break things when you retrieve it back from Atomic Fusion. So for example, if I try to copy with and upload with workflows, nothing happens. I'm clicking on this right now. As opposed to if you were actually to go to another element and upload with workflows, it would work. So that's basically how pages function when it comes to uploading to Atomic Fusion. If you have any questions, you can definitely drop me an email or a note or a message on Slack, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.